Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Des and you're watching Des the Fashion Eater. In today's video, I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine, the products I use, what they claim to do, and what I actually think about them. This transforming walnut scrub is actually new to my collection, but you can follow me on Instagram to track my progress. With every routine, I always set a playlist for YouTube so that way I hear something while I'm getting ready, because this can take me about 30 minutes. Bliss is a new company to me, but this cleanser is advertised as a eye makeup remover or just used for people with very sensitive skin. I really like it. It doesn't have any parabens and it's cruelty free. I think it does a good job of removing dirt from my face like it claims to, but there's definitely some dirt still left back, some oils that need to be stripped away.
Can you see the pores?
Because of that, I'm going in with the Ole Henrikson Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. I did want the dark spot toner, but I have tried this one before and it's really good. But as you can see, I've been eating chocolate. This is the first cotton swab. That's how much dirt is still on my face after washing. And then I did a second swab just to show you. And then lastly, a third one. I do it until my face is completely clean. And then I fan my face a little cooling effect. After that, I'm gonna add my mask / moisturizer. I use it as a moisturizer. Summer Fridays is my absolute favorite. I feel like anytime I take it out of my skincare routine, when I ran out of it, I really noticed a difference. My pores just really shrink. My face looks very plump and smooth when I use it. And I'm just massaging it into my face. If you don't have a Jade Roller, just copy the directions that I'm going. Like, don't drag and pull too hard on your face. So I actually have a Jade Roller and I massage my face first and then I go in with the Jade Roller. I sped it up for you so you can see the directions that I actually use it. I love how it has the smaller section for underneath the eyes. And I probably do this for about 2 minutes, 5 if I'm feeling fancy. Then I have my Laneige Lip Mask. I just bought this, I would say, about a month ago, but you can tell the difference when it's dry versus moisturized, and I just fall asleep in this. And that's my whole nighttime skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!